Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 8, part 2, exercise 1.1. Solution. 2 plus minus 1 under the root equals to iota, and the square root of 9 is 3. So we can write it as 3 iota. Similarly here minus 5 minus the square root of 16 is 4, and minus 1 is here, so iota. Now we will multiply and divide by the conjugate of denominator. So here we can write 2 plus 3 iota divided by minus 5 minus 4 iota into minus 5 plus 4 iota, minus 5 plus 4 iota. Now we can write it as 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8 iota, 3 5s are minus 15 iota, and 3 4s are 12 iota square divided by minus 5 square and minus 4 iota square. Now look, minus 10, minus 15 plus 8 minus 7 iota, and here iota square value is minus 1, so minus into plus minus 12 divided by the minus 5 square is 25, and minus here we get 16 iota square. Minus 10 minus 12 minus 22 minus 7 iota divided by 25 iota square value is minus 1, so minus into minus plus 16. So here we get minus 22 minus 7 iota divided by 16 plus 25, 41. So we can write it as minus 22 by 41 and minus 7 by 41 iota. This is the answer. Part 3rd. 1 plus iota whole square divided by 4 plus 3 iota. Solution. Now expand this square. 1 square plus iota square plus 2 1 into iota divided by 4 plus 3 iota. Further, 1 square 1 iota square value minus 1, and 2 plus 2 iota divided by 4 plus 3 iota. This one cancel with this. Here we get 2 iota and 4 plus 3 iota. Now multiply and divide by the conjugate of denominator, which is 2 iota divided by 4 plus 3 iota into 4 minus 3 iota, 4 minus 3 iota. 2 4s are 8 iota and 2 3s are 6 iota square divided by 4 square minus 3 iota square. So 8 iota square value is minus 1, so minus into minus we get plus 6 divided by here 16 the minus 9 iota square. Further we can write it as 6 plus 8 iota divided by 16 iota square value is minus 1, so minus into minus plus 16 plus 9. So here we can write 6 plus 8 iota divided by 16 plus 9, 25. 6 by 25 plus 8 by 25 iota is the answer. Find the conjugate. Question number 9. First of all, solution. Multiply. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 iota, 2 2s are minus 4 iota, and 2 3s are minus 6 iota square. Here 2 1s are 2, 1 into iota minus iota, 2 2s are 4 iota, and here minus 2 iota square. Now 6 9 minus 4 we get 5 iota, and here iota square value is minus 1. 2 4 minus iota we get 3 iota, and here minus 2 iota square value is minus 1. 6 plus 5 iota, minus into minus plus 6, and here 2 plus 3 iota, minus into minus plus 2. So we get 6 plus 6 12 iota, 6 plus 6 12 plus 5 iota divided by 2 plus 2 4 plus 3 iota. Now divide and multiply by the conjugate of 4 plus 3 iota, which is 4 minus 3 iota. 12 plus 5 iota divided by 4 plus 3 iota into 4 minus 3 iota divided by 4 minus 3 iota. So here we get 12 4s are 48 minus 12 3s are 36 iota, 5 4s are 20 iota, and 5 3s are 15 iota square. And here a plus b, a minus b 4 square minus 3 iota square. Now 48 minus 16 iota, and here minus 15 into minus 1 divided by 16 minus 9 iota square. 48 minus 16 iota, minus into minus plus 15 divided by 16 minus 9 iota square, value is minus 1. So 48 plus 15, 48 plus 15, 8 plus 5 13, 1 4 5 6 63, 63 minus 16 iota divided by 16 minus into minus plus 9, 63 minus 16 iota divided by 25, 63 divided by 25 minus 16 divided by 25 iota. Now the conjugate of this is conjugate is 63 divided by 25 plus 16 divided by 25 iota. Change the imaginary part sign, so it is the conjugate. Part 10. Solution. Iota power 18 can be written as iota square into 9, 2 9s are 18, plus 1 over iota 25 whole cube. 1 power 25 and iota power 25. So here iota square value is minus 1 power 9, plus here 1 power 25 we get 1, and iota power 25 can be written as iota square whole power 12. 2 12s are 24 into iota 25 whole cube. Here we get minus 1, plus here 1 over iota square value is minus 1 power 12 into iota whole raised to power 3. Now minus 1 plus 1 over the minus 1 power is even, so we will get 1 into iota, we get iota whole raised to power 3. Now take the LCM. Iota into minus 1 we get minus iota, plus 1 divided by iota whole cube. Now divide and multiply by the conjugate of this. So minus 1 plus iota divided by iota into minus iota whole cube. Now minus into minus plus iota square, and minus iota into 1 we get minus iota divided by minus iota square whole cube. Iota square value is minus 1 minus iota divided by minus iota square value is minus 1 whole cube. So we get minus 1 minus iota divided by 1 whole cube. which is further equal to minus 1 minus iota whole cube. Now we will expand this cube. How? Look, we can write it as minus 1 plus minus iota whole cube. So minus 1 cube plus minus iota cube plus 3 into minus 1 minus iota, and here minus 1 plus minus iota. Now look, minus 1 cube we get minus 1, and here minus 1 cube we get minus iota cube, minus into minus plus 3 iota into minus 1 we get minus 3 iota, and minus into minus plus 3 iota into minus iota we get minus 3 iota square. Now look, minus 1, this iota cube can be written as minus iota into iota square, and minus 3 iota minus 3 iota square value is minus 1. So we get minus 1. Here iota square value is minus 1, so minus 1 into minus, so plus iota, and here minus 3 iota, and minus into minus we get plus 3. Now 3 minus 1 we get 2, and minus 3 iota plus iota we get minus 2 iota, which is the answer. Question 11. Solution. Z1 is equal to 2 minus iota, Z2 is equal to minus 2 plus iota. Find the real part of Z1 Z2 divided by Z1 conjugate. So now first of all we will find Z1 Z2. 2 minus iota into minus 2 plus iota. 2 2s are minus 4 and plus 2 iota, minus into minus plus 2 iota minus iota square, minus 4 plus 4 iota minus iota square value is minus 1, minus 4 plus 4 iota plus 1, so minus 3 plus 4 iota. Now Z1 conjugate is equal to 2 minus iota conjugate, which is equal to 2 plus iota. Now divide Z1 Z2 divided by Z1 conjugate. Z1 Z2 value is minus 3 plus 4 iota divided by 2 plus iota. Divide and multiply by the conjugate of 2 plus iota, so which is 2 minus iota, 2 minus iota. Here 3 2s are minus 6, minus into minus plus 3 iota, and 4 2s are 8 iota minus 4 iota square divided by 2 square minus iota square. We can write it as minus 6 8 plus 3 11 iota minus 4 iota square value is minus 1. Here we get 4 minus iota square, so minus 6 plus 11 iota minus into minus plus 4 divided by 4 minus into minus 1. So here we get minus 6 plus 4 we get minus 2 plus 11 iota, and here 4 plus 1, so we can write it as minus 2 plus 11 iota divided by 5. Further we can write it as minus 2 by 5 plus 11 by 5 iota. This minus 2 by 5 is the real part of what? This Z1 Z2 by Z1 conjugate. So the real part of Z1 Z2 divided by Z1 conjugate is what? Minus 2 by 5. Part 2, find the imaginary part of 1 over z1 z2 conjugate. z1 is 2 minus iota, z2 is minus 2 plus iota. So first of all we will find the product of z1 and z1 conjugate. So z1 conjugate will be 2 minus iota conjugate, which is equal to 2 plus iota. Now find z1 into z1 conjugate, which is 2 minus iota into 2 plus iota. We get 2 square minus iota square, which is equal to 4 minus iota square value is minus 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. Now 1 over z1 into z1 conjugate will be equal to 1 over 5. So we can also write it as 1 over 5 plus 0 iota. The imaginary part of 1 over z1 conjugate is 0. Imaginary part is this.